This bag has done lots of traveling over the years. It might seem too small for all your essentials, but through my travels with this one bag, I've learned how to pack for 10 days in just one carry-on. Packing can be super stressful. Here's how to avoid over and underpacking. First, take a look at your itinerary. The events and activities you have planned will determine the types of items needed. Going swimming? Bring a swimsuit. Trekking through the rainforest? Pack hiking boots. For general trips, here's my rule of thumb. Only pack items that are easy to mix and match. Here's what I usually pack. 5 tops, the more versatile, the better. 4 bottoms, I like 2 jeans, a pair of pants, and a skirt for variety. 2 dresses, preferably ones you can dress up or down. 1 sweater, 2 light outerwears like a jean jacket and a foldable raincoat. 10 undies, 1 for each day. This is non-negotiable. 3 to 4 bras, 8 pairs of socks, 3 sleepwear options, but if you sleep naked, that's even better. 1 multifunctional scarf, which could be used to stay warm or as an additional item of clothing. 3 shoes, I opt for sneakers, comfy sandals, and a dressy pair. And finally, a toiletries bag to keep all your necessities in one compact spot. To organize everything neatly, start by lining the bottom with your bottoms and dresses. Individually roll up the rest of your items to save space. Undies, bras, and socks are best kept in smaller bags like packing cubes or even plastic bags. Fold over the bottoms like arms, wrapping everything in. Place your shoes in a separate bag to prevent messes, and place everything else inside. Save even more space by wearing the same outfit the day you're traveling out and in. Keep items like your laptop, camera, passport, water bottle, and wallet in your backpack. Now go on, have an adventure, and remember these tips the next time you want to travel smart.